Welcome back to Kenton and Habiba. My name is Habiba. If you're new here, this is a channel where we primarily post vlogs, family vlogs, and I share a lot of cooking, DIY, decorating. If you love the garden, you will love this channel. If you love fruits and vegetables and trying to eat healthy, you will love this channel. Anyway, so today we're going to be making some ice cream, but this is going to be all natural, no preservatives, no added sugar or anything fake. It's going to be sweet, creamy, thick and delicious, all natural, just what your doctor ordered, right? So let's get this started. I promise you this is going to be quick and easy. Number one, you're going to need a blender, a nice strong blender. If you have a Vitamix, that is a plus. I don't have a Vitamix, but a regular blender will do. And then your ingredients for your ice cream, 3 ingredients. That's the base of this, 3 ingredients. And depending on your choice, you might actually make it 2. So number one, we're gonna need some bananas. And you wanna make sure your bananas are ripe, not overripe, but you want them ripe. When they got the little black dots on them and you know you can press into it, you know your bananas are good. So I'm actually gonna use about 3 bananas. Okay, to sweeten your ice cream, you're gonna need dates. So these are dates I soaked overnight. So literally just about 5-6 dates, depending on how sweet you would like it. I just soaked them with a little water overnight in a cup and they were ready the next day. So that is our sugar alternative. And then to make it even more creamy, I'm going to add coconut milk. So you can get coconut milk in any grocery store. You can buy it in the carton or you can get it in the can. So this is the can version that I'm using. It's thicker. It's a more concentrated coconut milk. It's not sweetened, but it is thick, natural coconut milk. Okay, so I showed you that I soaked the dates overnight. You can buy dates also from the grocery store or online, and I will try to link in the description box below an alternative. So here's the thing. You're not gonna use your fresh bananas. You're gonna peel them and freeze the amount that you would like to use. And I have them here for you. So here you go. So I like to cut them up in about 3 pieces and put them in a Ziploc bag. It makes it easier when I'm taking it out, see? Just like that. So these are actually 2 bananas, 2 frozen bananas. You could actually put them in the freezer whole like this, but you will still have to break them once you take them out. So this is the base for your ice cream. And then to make it more exciting, you're gonna change the flavors by adding strawberries, if you would like a strawberry version, or if you'd like a blueberry version, or if you'd like a pina colada version, which we're gonna make today, which is I'm going to add coconut and pineapple to it. Okay, let's get started. So I'm sure you can agree all of us are trying to get or eat healthier. So, you know, do what you can to get less sugar in your diet and avoid too many sweets. I definitely have a sweet tooth. And the problem is lately I've been sliding back and going to, I will not say the name of the ice cream store, but it's a commercial ice cream store. And a friend reminded me, why don't you make natural ice cream where you don't have to worry about all the artificial ingredients? Okay, so I've added the frozen bananas and now I'm going to add the dates. And I'm going to pour about half of this coconut milk, and this was about half, a full can. So I'm gonna pour half. Keep in mind, the more liquid you add, the less thick it will be. Okay, so you're gonna start off low first and then you build up. I'm gonna put it on frozen green smoothie. And you might have to stop a few times and stir it. Ooh, it already smells good. It already smells good. And there are no exact measurements. It depends on what you like. Again, whether you put dates in it or not, that's up to you. So it already looks like ice cream, doesn't it? Doesn't that look good? Does that look good? Oh my goodness. How satisfying is that? So that there is your base. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer, and then we'll work on getting the toppings all set up. We're back with our toppings. We've got our blueberries, and a good option would be to have blueberries and strawberries, or you could just do blueberries alone or strawberries alone. You can also do a tropical variation and have maybe some mango diced up, pineapple or coconut, or all three, and then you get a pina colada kind of variation. You could do a chocolate version and just have some Nutella or some sort of hazelnut chocolate spread. And I like to sprinkle it with some nuts of choice. So you can, once you make the base, cut up the fruit and just put it on top. Or you can take your fruit and the base and throw it back in the blender. So it's up to you. So because I'm going to section out some of it into different flavors, I'm going to take out some of the cream. And you can see what it looks like. Of course, it would be firmer if I used less coconut milk. And let's pan down here so you can see. Yeah, it could be a lot firmer if I use less coconut milk or if I put it in the freezer longer. But I just want to show you the strawberry blueberry version. So I'm going to take out about half of this and use those for other flavors. So we're going to do the blueberry version. I'm going to add about half a cup of blueberries. We'll just leave a little bit of color. So we're gonna wanna pulse it and not puree it, because I like to see some chunks when it's done. So because I had so much fruit, it's a lot more liquidy, but that's okay. So all you have to do is freeze it. So for the pineapple and coconut variation, and I said I plan to put some mango in it, I'm actually just going to dice the fruit and then add it to our base nice ice cream. And as you know, mangoes are loaded with vitamin C. All right, so all of this is gonna get mixed up, the pineapple and the mango and the shredded coconut, which is also optional. This is the sweetened shredded coconut. You can see it is quite thick and creamy. I'm going to put half of it into this bowl, because I'm gonna leave some for the chocolate version. So let's go mixing. So for our chocolate version, you can add some cocoa powder if you have any. And of course, I'm going to add this chocolate hazelnut spread and just mix it well. And if you want to go overboard, you can add some chopped nuts to it. So this is what it looks like before I put it back in the freezer. Here is the pineapple, coconut, and mango or tropical ice cream. Let's make her pretty. Fresh blueberries. I can see the little pieces of nuts in there. So there you have it. 3 different examples of homemade ice cream right in the comfort of your home. Simple, beautiful, delicious. Which one is your favorite? The coconut, pineapple, mango, or the blueberry, strawberry, berry, or the chocolate and nuts? Or maybe you like chocolate without nuts. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Honey, honey, if I could just feed you some. And you know, there are no preservatives in here, nothing fake, nothing artificial, just all good. Look at that, baby. Look at that. That looks like soft serve with fruit. I'm telling you, if you make it, you will not regret it. And to think that I didn't add any sugar in this. No added sugar.